not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Which of the following countries officially quit UNESCO? Israel and USA, USA and China, Russia and Israel, Palestine and Syria. The answer is A, Israel and USA. Now, both the countries officially quit UNESCO. UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO was co-founded by the USA after World War II to foster peace. But what is the main reason for their withdrawal? The organization fosters the anti-Israel bias. Israeli envoy says that they will not be a member of an organization whose goal is to deliberately act against them. Now for us, you need to remember the UNESCO headquarters, which is in Paris of France. UNESCO was founded on 16th of November 1945 and the current head of the UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay. So remember all these points important. Who is sworn in as the President of Brazil? Mauricio Macri, Jair Bolsonaro, Lopez Obrador, Nicolas Maduro. The answer is B. Jair Bolsonaro is sworn in as the President of the Brazil. Mauricio Macri is the President of the Argentina. Andres Lopez Obrador is the President of Mexico, who was recently elected in the month of December. And Nicolas Maduro is the President of Venezuela. Jair Bolsonaro sworn in as Brazil's President on Jan 1st, 2019. He is a right-wing nationalist and he belongs to Social Liberal Party. Who received the Legion of Honor Award on Jan 1st, 2019? Croatia tennis team, France football team, Belgium football team or Indian tennis team? The answer is B, France football team. France football team received the Legion of Honor Award on Jan 1st, 2019. The Legion of Honor is the highest French award established in the year 1802 by Napoleon Bonaparte. The France football team won FIFA World Cup in 2018, defeating the Croatia in the finale. Now 23 players of the football team each received France's top medal. Remember, France won the FIFA World Cup 2 times in 2018 and in 1998. This is the area where questions can be asked. French team that won 1998 Football World Cup also received the Legion of the Honor Award. Hopman Cup is related to which of the following sport? Badminton, tennis, cricket or hockey? The answer is B, tennis. Hopman Cup is related to the sport tennis. Now, these kind of questions appeared many times in many exams, especially in CGL and CHSL. You need to have minimum idea of which cup is related to which sport. For the first time in the history of the sport, Roger Federer faced Serena Williams in the mixed doubles of the Hopman Cup. Hopman Cup is held every year in Perth of Australia. The total 8 teams will compete for this cup. The championship is named in honor of Harry Hopman, an Australian tennis player and coach. Parallel Literature Festival 2019 will be organized in which of the following places? Jaipur, Ajmer, Jodhpur or Udaipur? The answer is A, Jaipur. Parallel Literature Festival 2019 will be organized in the city of Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan. The second edition of the PLF 2019 to begin on Jan 27 to 29 in the year 2019. Now PLF 2019 is dedicated to Urdu writer Razia Sajjad Zahir. Remember this writer, very important from exam point of view. She was born in Ajmer of Rajasthan on Feb 1917. Now the country celebrates her birth centenary year. The water quality of the Ganga in the year 2018 has degraded than 2017, improved than 2017, remained same as 2017, or none of the above. The answer is B, improved than 2017. The water quality of the Ganga in 2018 improved. The Junior Water Resources Minister Satyapal Singh has given written statement in the Rajya Sabha pertaining to quality of water in the river Ganga. The Namami Ganga program. Now on this program, government spent around 5 crore rupees in 4 years to clean the river Ganga. Which countries failed to get direct qualification for T20 World Cup Super 12? Pakistan and Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, New Zealand and West Indies. The answer is C, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka are the two countries who failed to get the direct qualification for the T20 World Cup Super 12. Now these two countries will contend with other 6 team qualifiers in the group stage. T20 World Cup next edition will take place in the year 2020 in Australia. Remember this point, very important. The T20 World Cup has generally been held every 2 years, but the latest edition was held in 2016 and the winner was the West Indies. So remember, T20 World Cup did not take place in the year 2018, but the next edition will be in 2020. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following actor, screenwriter, comedian, director had passed away at the age of 81? Mrinal Sen, Kader Khan, Nirupam Sen, or Anant Kumar? Now today I am giving you all 2 questions. Mention your answers in the comment section for these 2 questions. The 4th test series between India and Australia will be played in which of the following places? Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne, or Sydney? Let's see the answer for previous day question. Who was named as the Balkan Athlete of the Year 2018? The answer is C, Luka Modric, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section, Hari, Lokesh and Sairam. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. Now, Luka Modric, who led the Croatian team to their first ever FIFA World Cup finale, has been named as the 2018 Balkan Athlete of the Year. Remember, we have already discussed this point. He also won the prestigious Ballon d'Or award for the first time in December 2018. To receive this award, the poll was organized by the Bulgarian news agency, and it included the national news agencies of these many countries. The second person to top the poll was Novak Djokovic, followed by the Simona Halep of Romania. The quote for the day is, improvement begins with I. Now, improvement takes effort and that comes from you. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.